In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change notifications on Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard and how to tailor alerts so you only get the updates that matter to you. First, open your Cloudflare account and sign into the dashboard. Give the page a moment to load so the top navigation fully appears. You'll be working from your account area, not inside a specific website settings, so make sure you're on the main dashboard view. Next, click Profile. Depending on your layout, this may appear as your avatar or an account icon in the upper right corner. Selecting it takes you to your personal account area where Cloudflare keeps your preferences and contact details. If a small menu opens, choose the Profile option to enter your full profile page. This is the central place for user-specific controls, and it's where Cloudflare stores your communication preferences. Inside your profile, go to Settings. Think of Settings as the hub for how Cloudflare interacts with you as a user. It's where you can review what information Cloudflare has for contacting you and how it delivers updates. Taking a second here to confirm your primary email is correct is helpful because notifications rely on it. From Settings, open the Notifications section. This is where you'll see the different categories of alerts Cloudflare can send. The exact wording may vary, but you'll typically find options related to system alerts, security or performance updates, billing or subscription notices, and product-specific messages. Each line usually has a toggle, letting you turn a notification on if you want to receive it, or off if you don't. Now toggle on the notifications you prefer. Be selective so your inbox stays useful. For example, you might keep critical security or outage-related alerts on while turning off non-essential announcements. If you manage multiple websites, remember that some notifications are account-wide, while others may relate to specific services. As you flip toggles, glance for any brief confirmation message indicating your choice has been saved. If your interface shows additional details or frequency options next to a toggle, use those to fine-tune how often you're notified. That's all there is to it. You opened your Cloudflare account, went to your profile, selected the profile option, entered settings, and then adjusted your notifications by toggling on what you want. Revisit this area anytime your needs change and keep your alerts focused on what truly matters to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.